I'm going to share my screen. Tell me, is it share? Yes or no? Okay. Now is it share?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, okay, fine. I'm sorry for late. Actually, I'm already told you about that. Here is some technical issue. That's why my computer is not working properly. So, so you can ask your question, Mr. 580.
So on the calendar, half of the day
Yeah.
says on Monday, it says like that instead of one whole thing, it's like cut in half, and then it says canceled mathematics,
Yeah. I know.
and then the other one is
Actually,
yes.
there is cancelled by from the shampoo, sir. I don't know about that, but today's class is your math. Okay. So I don't know
Okay.
about that. You are saying so.
Okay.
Don't mind. Don't too much
Okay.
mind on those sides. So let's start the class. I hope you all guys are happy. Happy? Yes or no? You have any problem? If you have really any problem in the math, you can ask any question. Okay. I try to don't bore it. Don't feel boring. If you feel boring, you can tell me, and I will try to uh, learn in different way. Okay. Okay. So in the previous class, first of all, tell me, have you guys done your homework?
Yeah.
Tell me yes or no.
Have.
Okay. Okay. I hope you done, everyone. Okay. Okay. So in the previous class, we are studying about the. Okay. There is some problem. I don't know. I don't know in which where we are on this. Sorry, I think, yes, this is your, okay, fine. So now, today I'm going to start the class. Sorry for late. Actually, there is some problem. So now, today I'm going to solve. Hmm. Mhm. Exercise 2.7 is your homework. You know that? Yes or no? Exercise 2.7 is your homework. You know that? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
I think you done your homework. Okay, wait. I can watch your. So today's class is on addition and subtraction together. Okay. Everyone listen to me. 537. You can unmute your mic, and 580. You also. 580. I don't know where you are. So today we are going to start addition and subtraction together. Okay. I hope you listen everyone. Okay. Okay. So to solve involving both addition subtraction, go stepwise. Carry out addition subtraction from the sum. So here I'm going to tell you which one we use first to solve. For example, you have some question like 4 plus 2 minus 6. So tell me which one we solve first. Tell me. Everyone tell me. First we take which one?
2 minus 4.
Tell me answers. First of all, tell me answer one by one. What is the answer?
8. The answer is 8.
Is answer is 8. Okay. Is anybody tell me answer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think the same.
7. Sorry, I can't listen you.
Yeah, it's 8.
Okay, so listen to me carefully. There is some. I think you are some nervous. See, you have to remember that first of all we solve always addition. What we solve, we have to remember that we have to always solve. Always we have to solve always addition. After then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so you can see here subtraction is here. So we have first of all we have to solve 4 plus 6. What we get? 10. Okay, you can see here. And after then minus 2 is here. Now tell me which what comes answer? 2 minus 10.
2 minus 10 equals 8.
Yes, that is 8. Okay, fine. So the main important thing is that we have to solve always. First of all, we solve always addition. After then, we take subtraction. For example, you can see here. For example, number 27. Is it clear for you? Tell me first of all, my screen is clear for you. Tell me, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. Any problem, you can tell me. The question is
Yes.
that solve 437 plus 1542 and minus 1389. So here is step is that addition first number. That is main point. Okay. He is saying addition first number. It means we have to take first of all we add. Okay. Wait. Add together. After then, which means we have to use first of all we use plus sign in the front of it and from the sum subtract the number in the sign negative front of it. It means first of all we take what? First of all, what we take? Sum or subtraction? Plus or minus? What we solve firstly?
Plus.
Yes, you have to always remember. If you have too much long questions, for example, like here comes 2 and then 4 and then 5 and then 6, you have to remember. You have to remember always about plus minus. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Because that is the way of solving any question. Here you can see we have how many questions? So first of all, you can see here is minus and here is plus. So what we do firstly, we have to we add. After then you can see here we have firstly add and after then minus 1398. You can see here. Then we get the answer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will give you a question. You can solve. Now, don't solve. First of all, we have to talk about example. Example is that which number is 2472 more than 3168. It means if any question is telling about the more than. then we have to remember that it's telling about more than, so we have to add. What we do? We have to add. You can see here is 2,472 and here is 3,168. Here is saying more than, so we have to solve, we have to add. Okay, and the question number 27, you can see here, which number is 2,472 less than? What is saying question? Question is saying less than. Yes or no? So we have to subtract. You can see here the number of that is 2,472 less than what? Less than what? 6,315. So we have to subtract from 6,315, subtract 2,472. Now we get the answer. Yes or no? Okay. You have to remember. If saying less, it means we have to subtract. If saying more, then we add. Okay. Okay. Okay, the next. So question one by one, you have to tell. First of all, you can note in your copy and tell me answer. Everyone tell me answer. First, second, fourth. Tell me answer. First. You have to remember that we have to solve always. First, we solve subtraction. I'm sorry. First of all, we solve addition, then solve subtraction. If you have any problem, I will zoom it. You can see. So now, is it clear?
Yeah. So now you have 1 minute more. If you done, then show me your copy. Okay.
I finished one.
Okay, tell me. Show me your copy. I mean notebook.
I just finished one. I can show it to you.
Okay, your answer is correct. Very good. Very good. Now solve left questions. So time is over within 10 seconds. two questions complete, you can show me your notebook. There is no problem. Two questions.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is it 1019?
Is it your answer question number one?
Yeah.
No. Your answer is wrong. Answer is, I will tell you the answer. 1, 1, 1, 4.
1.
4.
Oh.
That answer is correct. If any kid's answer is that, then that answer is correct. There is something you can check your question, check your solution. Now show me 522. Show me your copy if you do your question 2. There is no problem. If you do question, if you need to question, if you solve, you can show me your copy. Listen to me. Time is over. Now you can check your answer. I will give you solution. Okay. The question 2 is, if your answer question number 2 is 2073. What 73? Check and tell me. Check and tell me first. And the question number 4 answer is 3028. Okay, if your answer is 3028 of question number 4, then your answer is correct. 580. Why are not you do? Match your answer.
I got it wrong.
So what? If you get it wrong, then you can solve next question. Yeah, you can match your solution. There is a mistake. You can solve again, then you get the correct answer.
Okay.
So now match your answers. If your answer is that, then your answer is correct. Okay. Tell me how many answers is correct.
1114.
111. 111 and 4. Tell me how many answers correct. 522. 522. Tell me. 824.
Yes.
Tell me how many answers is correct.
I got all 4 of them correct.
Okay, very good. Okay. 581. Tell me how many answers is correct of yours.
1 wrong, so I got 3.
Okay, no problem. 580. How many questions is correct? How many questions are you solving?
Well, I got 2.
2.
I
Okay,
got 2
fine.
wrong.
Whatever, no problem. If your 2 answers correct, but you can solve very carefully, and your answer is correct. 522. Tell me answer fast. How many questions is your correct? Tell me.
All of them are all correct.
Your all is correct.
Yeah.
Very good. Everyone, very good. So let's move next question. There is 2 questions for you. I'm already told you about find the number that is. Here is saying 563 more than 8,978. So you can, I'm already told you, if given more than, what we do, tell me. If given more than, then what we do? Tell me. Tell me fast. Tell me what we do if we are saying more than.
Add. You add.
Yes, very good. You have remembered that. So you have to add and tell me question number. Here you solve only question number 1 and where we have to move. Now solve 2 questions again. Tell me answer fast. Question number, solve this and question number 3rd. Tell me answer. Five eight zero. Solve the question. Tell me answer.
I can't see the question. It's frozen.
Okay, wait. Now is it clear? Question number 1st and question number 3rd. Tell me answer fast.
So it's question number 3.
Yeah, your answer is what?
Okay.
The question's answer is what? 4986. 522? 522? Yeah, show me. Okay. Tell me which question is that. I'm little confused. I think your answer is correct, but tell me
Yeah,
the
'cause
question to
I
solve.
am doing it. I'm just going the right way.
I hope.
This is the right way.
Yeah, I think your answer is correct. Good. You can solve. I will tell you the answer. You can match it. 537. 537.
Yes.
Good. Now you can solve next question. If you done your work. C answer is 4986. Yes. 4986. Okay. Wait. The third. I hope your answer is correct. Listen to me. Okay, good. Now, first of all, I think there is mistake. You can check. I will give you answer. Okay. Wait. Okay, there is mistake. Sorry, I think there is mistake. Tell me if you solve. If your answer is come, I don't know which question I am giving you. This question and this question, yes or no?
Yes. Wait.
Okay, if your answer is 4 9 4 9 and what 4986, then your answer is correct. Match. Tell me if your answer is this, then your answer is correct. Okay. Listen to me.
Yeah.
Okay. I have a question for you. I hope your answer is correct, but there is some confusion actually because of the Zoom. There is some confusion. I'm not telling about the question number D. Can you solve this question? Are you do? Yes or no?
No, that's not the right one.
You're not right one. So you can see what should be added. I know you are confused. So that's why I'm not telling the answer this. So now first of all I'm going to solve question number first. Okay. Listen to me carefully. I'm going to solve question number first. The question is, for example, the question is that wait. You can see. Tell me. You have 4. Okay. Listen to me carefully. You have 4 notebooks. Okay. And question is saying what we how to get so here is saying what should we add in 4. Okay, my question is that what should we add in 4? You get 10. Tell me what we add. My question is that listen to me carefully. Yeah. Yo, 586, tell me. 581?
6.
581? Yeah. 824, you're correct. So question is that you are saying very good. You are telling me answer. Your answer is correct. So I think you understand what I'm saying. The question is that you have 4 books. So what we add, it becomes 10 books. Okay. So what we had to do? We had to subtract 4 from 10. So we get 6. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So you can see here, if we get 6, so we have to add 6. Now you can see here, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Yes or no? Is there any problem?
No.
So the same question is D. You can see here. Here is saying what should be added? What should be added? 522, 580. I understand what I'm saying. Listen to me carefully. Okay. Here I'm saying what should be added? What should we add to get? We have to. Here saying what should we add in 1672. Then we get 3400. So the question is like this. Question is like this. What should we add? What should we add? 3400. Okay. And here is given 1672. So tell me. Now question is that you have 1672. Okay. And what we get added? What we get added? We get what should be added here? And we get 3400. Tell me answer.
$1,728.
Okay. Your answer is 1,728. 28. Yes. I don't know. That is correct. I don't know about that. That is correct. 581. Tell me answer. What is your 522? 522.
I'm doing the question.
Okay, pass. You have 10 seconds. Okay. 580. Value.
I'm on the question still.
Okay, show me. Okay, that's good. I hope. Okay, very good. I don't know. I don't give you the answer. Okay, I show it, but within 10 seconds I will tell the answer. Your answer is correct. Yes or no? If you done 580, show me. I don't see your copy. 5 to 2. Sorry, I can't see your copy.
It's correct. I did the math.
There is some mistake. There is some mistake. Listen to me. There is some mistake. 5 to 2. There is mistake. Check your question. Check your solution. 580, 537. Why aren't you unmute your mic and close your video? I don't know. So yeah, tell me.
I did the math and it's correct.
You're saying what? Yeah. Now I will tell you. Yeah, okay. Fine. Listen to me. That answer is correct. That answer is correct. Okay. If your answer is 1728, then your answer is correct. Okay. Good. So I hope you can solve the question. I hope you can solve. So I will give you one more. Now solve question number 5. Tell me answer fast. 580. Why are you not showing your notebook? Are you noted it, yes or no?
I got 1728.
Sure.
1672 plus 1728 equals 3,400.
If your answer is 1728, then your answer is correct. Okay. If
Okay,
your
I got it right then.
okay. So now solve question number 5 fast.
Okay.
Tell me answer. Okay. Okay. I tell you later. Your answer is right or wrong. Okay. 8 to 4. I will tell you later. Okay. Your answer is right or wrong. Okay. 580. Your answer. You are saying your answer is 8, 6, 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Your answer is that. Now you have 10 seconds more. Tell me answer, everyone.
Yes.
Okay, your answer is that. Tell me
862.
which one is saying is that 581. 581 you are saying. Okay, fine. 581, your answer is that. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You are saying 862. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Is anybody tell me answer?
I got 1862.
Yours is 16.
Mine is 862. 862.
Okay. 580. You are again doing mistake. Correct answer is that. 862.
862?
Yes. Answer is 862. Yes.
I got
Perfectly right.
1862.
If your answer is 862, then you are correct. It means 581, 581 you are correct, and 522 you are also correct, and 824 you are also correct. Okay. Is there any problem? 580. Can I solve the question?
I got it wrong.
So you want answer?
I know it's A62.
Now listen to me carefully. You have to solve with a calm mind. You have to solve very carefully. Then your answer is correct. If you're doing fast, very fast, then your answer is maybe your answer is incorrect. So you have to solve very patiently. Patiently, I mean.
Okay.
So if your answer is now you can match. Uh, I'm post here these questions in your group. You can solve in your home I mean. So let's solve question number. So let's talk about the question number 29. Okay.
No solve.
The question 29 is that Razia bought a Harry Potter book. Okay, listen to me. Razia bought Harry Potter book. It had how many pages? Tell me. It had
Harry Potter.
yeah, the Harry Potter book. It had 880 pages. Okay, so she reads 16 pages. How many pages she reads on Monday?
16.
Yeah, on Monday. Okay. So and the 13 pages on Tuesday. Okay. So tell me how many pages Razia still has to read. Okay. So I solve the question. The question is saying you have total how many pages? You have 880 pages. Yes or no?
Yes.
The question is saying okay, wait. Your answer is what? Show me. Show me again. Very good. You're fast. I hope you understand. Very good. Okay. The question is that your answer is perfectly correct. 522. Listen to me. Other one. If you show me again, your answer right. But you can see here the answer is 58. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Fine. 824. You are correct. But you have to remember that you have to solve with the manner way. Manner is that how many total pages in the book, that is 880. Okay. And after that, number of the read pages on Monday, that is 16. And the number of the pages in Tuesday read, that is 13. Okay. So we have to add what? So we have to add what? Okay. If you add what, then you have 92. Yes, I mean sorry, 29. So you have to 29. So now from the 880 you have to subtract 29. 580. I understand what I'm saying.
Yes.
Listen to me what I'm saying. The question is saying how many pages does Razia still to read? Okay. Show me. Okay. Okay, your answer is correct. Very good. 537, your answer is correct. Okay. Your answer correct. You can solve this
851.
manner. Yes. 851 is correct. You can
So
see
I
here
got
the
it
answer
right?
is yes, you got right.
Okay.
Razia has to read 850. Okay, you can see the answer.
Okay.
So you can how to know the question. The question is that so in that there's 16 pages is read and the 13 pages is read. Then you have to add what? Okay. Now we have to subtract from 880. Okay. If you subtract, then you got the answer. Yes or no? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Okay, good. I hope you understand. So today's class is over, I think. So now I will tell you how many questions we asked today. So you can see here, there is some question for you for homework. If you not solve your homework, you can tell me in the next lecture. Yes or no? You have any problem? I will give you some questions for the homework. Exercise 2.9. If you have any doubt in all these questions, you can ask me in the next lecture. Okay? Okay? You have to tell me answer. You have to solve all the questions. You can see here. I will post all these questions in your homework page. Okay? If you have any problem, you can ask me in the next class. Okay? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, fine. So today's class is over. Take care of you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Bye. Take care.
See you.
Same to you.
See you next time. Bye.
Same to you.
See
Bye.
you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.